This is gonna be an instructional video.
It stops raining, y'all. Monthly news. Stops raining.
This is hey, you're doing an instructional video on how to put a top on it.
All right, see this? This goes on that. Oh my God, please tell me you're not filming me. I will have to have two hands. There we go. All right, let me hop in for a sec. Yeah, it's on. Hold on.
Nothing to it.
It's funny. My son was working on a kid. I don't know. It was one of those cobras, and there's been about 20 coming. Are you leaving, Andy? Cobras. So what they did was they got that guy and added 8 or 10. You got to guide people into the boating booth. Yeah, I got public way to boat. That's the red one. Not the problem. That goes over real well, believe me. I bet it does, yeah. There's a lot of humor about the boat.
Oh yeah, that should work up to about 20 miles an hour. All right.
Oh, were you good?
Now my understanding is... This is OJT. What's that? This is OJT.
What's that?
On the job training?
Training
here.
Like Chip's actually got 2 umbrellas.
That goes up easy pretty well. Oh yeah, it's a snap.
On the auto with one of those automatic folding tops. It was no fun. You just push a button.
Oh yeah, that'd be awful. It's terrible when you have to work at it like that. You have your side curtains?
Side curtains don't have windows?